What happens when a country runs out of money? Who helps it get back on its feet? That's where the IMF, or International Monetary Fund, comes in. The IMF, or International Monetary Fund, is a global organization created in 1944, near the end of World War II. Its goal is to keep the world's financial system stable. Today, the IMF has 190 member countries. These countries work together to promote economic stability, international trade, and financial cooperation. When a country faces serious money problems, like high debt, inflation, or a currency crisis, the IMF can provide loans and financial advice to help stabilize its economy. In return, countries usually agree to make economic reforms. The IMF also monitors global economies, gives policy advice, and helps countries strengthen their financial systems to prevent future crises. The IMF's headquarters is in Washington, D.C., where economic experts analyze data and support member countries. In short, the IMF helps countries manage financial crises, stabilize economies, and keep the global economy running smoothly. See you in the next video for more quick explanations.